In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your CoinMarketCap account. Whether you've decided to take a break from tracking crypto markets or are simply looking to tidy up your online presence. Removing your account is a straightforward process. Before we delve into the steps, ensure you have a stable internet connection and any necessary login credentials at hand. The first thing you'll want to do is to head over to the CoinMarketCap website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the web address directly. It's always a good idea to ensure you're accessing the official site to protect your personal information. Once the page loads, log into your account using your usual credentials if you aren't already logged in. This will bring up your dashboard and allow you to navigate the necessary account settings. Now that you're logged in and viewing the CoinMarketCap website, look toward the upper corner of the page for the settings section. Generally, this will be located near your profile icon or another easily accessible area of the website. Clicking on settings will take you to a new page full of various customization and account management options. Within the settings page, you need to find the option for requesting account deletion. This is a key step in the process. The option is usually labeled clearly, but if you're struggling to find it, scanning through the various menus and headings should help. Once you've located the Request Account Deletion option, click on it to begin the process. The site will then guide you through the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision to delete the account. It's important to follow these prompts carefully, as rushing through might result in incomplete account removal. You could be asked to provide additional confirmation or input certain details, aimed at ensuring the account deletion process is legitimate and secure. The process might also involve re-entering your password or addressing security questions to verify your identity before proceeding with the deletion. At this point, it's beneficial to take a moment to consider if you have saved any important data or information tied to your CoinMarketCap account. Once the deletion process is completed, retrieving this data will not be possible. If everything is in order and you are sure of your decision, confirm the account deletion following the given instructions. And there you have it. Your CoinMarketCap account should now be queued for deletion. This means you will no longer have access to its features and data, so ensure this decision aligns with your future engagement plans. If you run into any issues throughout this process, don't hesitate to contact CoinMarketCap support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials.